Hello everyone, let's welcome to our second lesson. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the most important thing by which you are going to know what is really your market is. Okay, now as we know here that what we want to do, we want only three things. We want traffic, and this traffics there is two way to deal with this type of traffic. Whatever traffic you are going to generate, first gain their trust, and second you just want only one thing, that they click only. Okay, now this traffic will go to your landing page, and when they click on your landing page, okay, when they get a link from your landing page, you know they get only two things. First, if you are providing him a good product or her a good product, okay, then you gain their trust. Okay, and second, there if you provide them a fake product, then you are going to lose them. Okay, then you are going to lose them. So in my case, what I wanted to tell you, there are two ways to do CPA marketing. First, by doing fraud, and second, by doing it in a right manner. So what I will tell you, how to do this thing in a right manner. So what we need, how to how to do a market research, and how to go on for this. Before creating a website, what we need to know, what is our market. That is the most important thing, because if you don't know what is your market, then you are not able to do anything in digital marketing. So first of all, you have to give him or her trust. What you have to give him or her is trust. How you can give him or her a trust? First, you have to create your own avatar. What you have to do, you have to create your own avatar. Give them information. What information you can give? What is your gender? What is your name? What is your face? You can put your profile pictures on Instagram or anything, anywhere place. What income you are generating? I know nobody, or you are not earning anything right now, so don't give them your income right now. Okay, what is your hobbies? So provide them all, because what is happening here, if you provide them all that thing, you are going to build trust. Okay, so why I'm saying that it is most important thing, because as I tell you before, there are three things. you know uh, First, CPA marketing. Second, affiliate marketing. And third, if you have your own product. So if you have traffic, okay, traffic, if you have traffic, okay, first you go to the CPA marketing. If you gain their trust, then you can go to affiliate marketing, and then you go to, you know you can go there, sell your own product. So if you are getting only $1 here, if you sell affiliate marketing product, then you can get here $50. And if you sell your own product to them, you can get $100. So where you are just earning $1, by the whole process you can earn approximately $151. So which is good. It is much more better than this, because you are going to convert that thing. But I wanted, in my lesson, what I'm going to pain point here, that you have to increase yourself more and more and more. Because what you need to do, you have to give them trust, and you have to gain trust from them. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to know your customer also. How do you know your customer? First, you have to know what is your niche. Okay, niche, or what market you want to try. Suppose that I want, I already told you that we are going to hit Instagram, and we are going to focus on females. So in females it is also divided in few parts, like small girls, kids, or married one, divorcee females. There are so many criterias here, on which criteria you are want to focus. If we are not going to focus on female, suppose that we are going to focus on pet, suppose we are going to focus on a single dad, or dad, or male person, what we need, what we are going to do. So let's make it clear when in a easy manner. We are going to focus on the broad niche, which is female. Let's make it more compressed, in a compressed way. Suppose that we are going to only focus on 18 to 35 age female. Okay, now if you want to make it more compressed, we can say that we are going to focus on 18 to 35 single female. Okay, or we are going to focus on 18 to 35 divorcee female. So what we are doing here, that we are filtering, filter our audience here. Okay, so what we need to do, if you want to be get successful in CPA marketing or affiliate marketing or any related to digital marketing thing, you have to know what is your real audience is. Suppose that I have a product related to divorcee females. Okay, like relationship stuff, remarriage stuff, whatever, relationship or remarriage. If I have that product, I don't have to focus and give all traffic here in that section, in female section. I wanted to focus on this. Okay, remarriage, or marriage type things, single female, or divorcee female. So that is the thing here. So what you have to do, you have to filter your audience. If you filter your audience, then if in that section you will be get conversion rate is approx 1% to 5%. But if get filtered audience here, okay, in that section, so in divorcee section, if you are focused on that thing only, you are going to get conversion rate about 20% to 25%. So what we have to know, we have to know what is our market. So how we know what is our market? So here is a, so how we need to find that keywords. For that it is a paid tool which is called Ahref. But you don't have to buy this, because I will give you all the keyword related to it. Okay, now what to do? If I search one thing, we are going to Keywords Explorer, and now what we need to do, wait a second. Yeah, what I need to do, suppose that if I write female, if I write female handbags. Okay, yeah, now we search it. What will happening here, that if I search that, what we are seeing here, that keyword difficulty is so low. I will tell you everything about keyword difficulty and all. If I search female handbags, there are so many questions related to it, and so many keywords are related to it. Okay, now female handbags, top brand of female handbags, Amazon female handbags, female handbag. So what we need to do, let's only talk about handbags, or so if I search this, so what I will see here, I will get so many keywords more: handbags for women, handbags, ladies handbags, handbags online. So what we do here, on every keyword, we are going to post things on Amazon, on Instagram. So whatever traffic you are seeing here, 65k, 108k, and if you see the total traffic here, which is around 609k. Okay, if I get only 10% of it, if I get only 10% of it, of that traffic, we are going to earn thousands of dollars per day by only CPA marketing. So if I say go beyond, affiliate marketing, so it will be more. And if you go beyond, if you have your own company which sell, handbags, if you promote via this method, so you will be, earn more. So first of all, we have to know our market, we have to do own market research. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not saying that you have to do all the, market research. You have to, bit innovative in this section. If you are innovative and you can search whatever market you need, whatever market you can, hit on easily, so that will be, good for you. So so what are the, conclusion of this, lecture here, conclusion of this lecture here. So first, give your customer trust that you are real by showing your face. If you are not showing your face, give them your name, give them your gender, give them, information related to you, give them your income and all, so you can, generate trust here. So after that, you have to know your buyer intent. Okay. Because you are not going to, if you are learning from me, so you don't have to cheat them. Okay. So what you will do, and I will teach you in our further lecture, you have to know their intent. So you have to know market where person are asking question about that, what type of handbag, let us I will see you one more thing here. There are so many questions related to handbags on which we are going to target. Okay. So questions are loading here. Wait a second. Questions are loading. Okay. Now, how to clean handbags, we have to focus on in that point, how to clean handbags, how to make handbags from the recycled materials. If you are focused, because you are, what you are doing, that you are providing solution, you are providing, value to your customer. So always focus only one thing, that you have to provide value to your customer. If you provide them value, then you are going to sell. If you are providing value, then you are going to sell, or you are going to get lead. So do not cheat them. If you are focusing that if you are going to cheat them and you are going to earn money, so it will be for, short time, or you can earn maximum about $1,000 to $2,000, and after that you will be get stopped, because that method will be get saturated. But if you are providing them value, then you will be go on and you are going to earn money. So that is all about in this lecture. So the conclusion is, always provide value to your customer. Okay. Now I hope you understand. I know I didn't tell you about, how exactly we are going to do our market research, but I give you the crux of it, that you have to give value to your customer. You have to, create trust, you know uh, towards your customer, and make trust. Okay. And trust is everything in that section. I hope you like this lecture. I just want one thing from you. Just share this lecture as much as you can. Share this lecture on your Facebook, share this lecture on, your Insta, share this lecture on, WhatsApp, share this lecture everywhere where you can, because I'm not taking any fees from you. I just want one thing, that if you are, if you are part of this initiative, make everybody, if we have to help everyone, because that is our responsibility. Okay. So share this lecture everywhere. I hope you understand this. And thank you very much. And there are further lectures are there, and we are going to learn everything step by step. And after 45 days, you are going to earn money if you follow everything whatever I am saying. Okay. Thank you. Bye.